Hey YouTube, Untamed here. So a windy day out here in Wyoming. So a perfect day to install some seat covers on my 2019 Toyota Tundra TRD Pro. The company that I went with is called Truckiipa, and that's Truckiipa with two eyes. I'll show you here in a second. And really, I'm surprised at how nice they are. If I'm being honest with you guys, I didn't have that high of expectations getting this, but I'm very pleased with how they turned out. There are multiple connection points underneath the seats that really allow you to make it a snug fit. And I've only purchased, and this is crazy, only purchased one other set of seat covers ever before. And I put it on my 1997 Toyota 4Runner, and I bought them from Walmart for $40, and they were garbage. They were just super stretchy. Right when you got it, they slid off. It was awful. Whereas that is not the case with these Truckiipa ones here. So snug finish, you get some slack within it, but nothing bad whatsoever. It's definitely a good fit overall. And if you have a Tundra, you know for a fact right here in particular, you get a lot of creases in your seat, your entry point in your driver's seat, and your passenger too, but mainly right here. I shouldn't say just Tundra, every vehicle's like that. So I'm hoping over time that this will hopefully protect that a little bit, or prevent that from happening so badly anyway. So I think they look good, especially with it already being a black interior. I thought this complemented it pretty well, and a nice pattern here in my opinion, and it's padded, so that's pretty cool. I'm eager to see how that feels over time. So there's another shot up front. You have them up here, some headrest covers as well. Super easy to install, but the most important reason why I wanted to get these is for the back seat. So you guys know I have about 28 kids, so the fact that I've never had seat covers before is kind of wild. It's pretty crazy to think that I've never purchased seat covers, because I'm so happy. It's great peace of mind knowing that, you know, when my kids drop their graham crackers, goldfish, or spill, I don't know, applesauce back here, I'm at least have the peace of mind that's not getting directly onto the leather seats back here, right? So that in and of itself is worth the $200 that you're paying for this nice set. You know, really, like I mentioned, about 45 minutes to install the entire thing, and it's snug. It is very snug, especially back here. And there's multiple points, multiple connection points underneath it that really allow this to be a snug fit. So when I put my kids' car seats back here, I like knowing that I'm not wedging the car seat directly into the leather back here. Rather, I'm wedging it into the car seat and into this. So if you have kids, you know what I'm talking about. You really make creases, like seemingly permanent creases, into your leather. So I like knowing that this is going to protect that a little bit. But not to mention, of course, when they spill things, it's inevitable. If you have kids, they're going to make a mess. And it's just nice peace of mind knowing that it's not going to be as bad, and it's not going to be directly onto your leather, especially if you have a catastrophic spill back here. So if you guys know, before, I was like a real rookie, I would put towels back here. I put two towels, one towel right here and one towel over there, then I put the car seat on it. And that was my protection, which is kind of silly. Kind of silly to say that out loud, because you guys know I'm pretty quick to spend $2,000 on rock sliders, but I would never buck up to get some car seat covers, which is kind of silly. So happy to have these finally, and I think I'm a believer now. So Truckiipa, you know, they're offering you guys, my viewers, 10% off if you'd like to try these out for yourself. I'll put the link in my description below. But overall, very pleased with it. I'm excited to see how they hold up over time, of course. Do one more shot up front. We'll wrap up the video. So I think it's a good look, especially knowing how snug they are. I think it is something that will hold up over time. So again, let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know if you have car seats and what your preference is. So I appreciate you watching as always. Until next time.